CRAFTSMAN 102-piece assorted tool set is a great option for DIYers and homeowners who need a basic set of tools for around the house. The set includes a wide variety of tools, including wrenches, screwdrivers, sockets, pliers, and more. Pros: versatile. The set includes a wide variety of tools to handle a variety of tasks. Affordable. The set is a great value for the money. Well organized. The tools are stored in a durable carrying case for easy transport and storage. Cons: some tools may be of lesser quality than name-brand tools. The case may be bulky for some users. The CRAFTSMAN 102-piece assorted tool set is a good choice for DIYers and homeowners who need a basic set of tools for around the house. The set is affordable and includes a wide variety of tools to handle a variety of tasks. Consider your needs. If you need a set of tools for heavy-duty use or professional use, consider investing in a more expensive set with higher quality tools. Read user reviews. Look for feedback on real-world performance and durability to get a better sense of the CRAFTSMAN's capabilities. Remember, the best tool set for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.